Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do an unboxing video on this month's Felicity Jane scrapbook kit. And this month it is called the Megan collection. So it's a Megan kit. It has 12 by 12 scrapbook paper, project life cards, some tags, stamp. Normally it has an alpha and a variety of embellishments. So this month we have the paper bow. I'm going to go in detail. We have some tags. We have some puffy stickers. So I'm going to start with the paper bow. So this one, sorry about the glare guys, but this one, it has 8 paper bows. And each bow is about 1 3/4 wide. But it's so cute. Like, it makes you want to make your own paper bows using the collection. I am going to do that, that's for sure. Watch out for my next video on me using the Megan kit and what I come up with. And let's see what we have. But that is that. So that's the paper bow. Next is the die cut shapes. They're so cute. Like the colors, the light pink, the light pink, the mint color, some rainbow elements. So that's what you get. You get flowers, tabs, a scallop, and some butterflies. And Megan. That's Megan right there. Sorry about my nails. I made green fondant last night. And then this one is Felicity Jane vellum shapes. Right there. And then that's what we have right there. There's a smile. And there's all these elements. I'm so excited to use it. Next one is project life cards. I just want to go through it real quick so I can show you what we have. So this one is a rainbow. And it has either a graph or a dotted. And then this one is, I love that paper. And then you can just journal right there. Some crosses, black and white cross. Pink. One that says beautiful. Gingham. Pink stars. Another journaling. Project life card. And this one was a card that you get when you buy the kit. This one's so pretty. It has all the colors. I like the mustard yellow too. Be kind to yourself. Love that. And then here you can stamp or put anything. Cute butterfly from the collection. And that was it. Next is my favorite part of the Felicity Jane kit. It's the stamps. It's high quality stamps. Made in the US. Beautiful. And the sentiments are amazing. And if your name is Megan, then you get your own name stamp. My name is Christian, so I would never be able to get any name. Christian with a K, so it's hard to get anything that's personalized. Love this life. Change is good. A day to remember. Oh, that's so cute. On top of like a project life card. Cute, beautiful day, lovely, unique. And the butterflies are so easy to color. I'm excited. I'm really excited. This one is 84 puffy stickers. So this is a yellow. So it's a white puffy sticker with a heart in it. So the hearts are different colors. So we got yellow, pink, mint, and black. And next one is the tiny tags. It's so tiny. It is tiny indeed. Maybe you can add this to an existing embellishment. It's 32 pieces. It's right there. So it's some solid colors and some that have just on the top part like this. So that'll be interesting to use. And then this one, oh, how cute is this puffy alphabet? It's puffy, and look at that font. It's so cute. So that's the front, and this is the back. I love it. And now, this is the paper. Let me put up the camera a little bit higher so you can see a little bit more of the paper collection right there. So this is an overview. I don't throw this. I normally use this, like cut it up and then use this because it's a good quality paper. So you can use these, a scallop, and these for tags or anything for scrapbooking because it's good quality paper. So right there. And this is the first page. That's the front part. And this is called Floral Dots. And this is the back part. White paper with black dots in it. And that's the floral one. Next is stripes and tiny flowers. Beautiful striped colors. And this one, like the mustard flower with like the mint green. They're so cute. All of them are cute. Right there. Next is the spots and stripes. Okay, so this one is the front, the pink spots. And then it looks stripes from afar, but if you look at it, like tiny little lines that make up a stripe. There. And the next one is plaid and squares. So this is the plaid. It's actually like a mint green, but my lighting is not that amazing because the sun is coming down. Let me see if I can move the light a little bit better. Let me see. Okay, maybe that's gonna help. But this one is like a very light mint green. I hope you can see that. Light mint green, and this is the back part. There. Next is dots and stars. So the mustard yellow, and then the stars on the back. Right there. Okay. Almost done, guys. Then this one is a rainbow. Cute! Rainbow, cute. And then the other side, so pretty. It has all the colors. So this is going to go to my friend Sandy because she said she loved just this paper. So I told her I get the collection every month and I'm going to give it to Sandy. Hi, Sandy. This is yours. And then we have two cardstock, like plain cardstock that perfectly coordinate with the collection. So this one is like a peach and a pink, and the other side is a lighter baby blush pink with the mint. So I hope you guys had a wonderful time seeing the unboxing of the Megan kit, this month's Felicity Jane kit. I'm so excited to play with it. Let's see what we can come up with, and I will definitely share with you guys what I have. Sorry about the glare, but I hope you had a wonderful time. If you're interested in this kit, I'm not an affiliate, but you can just log on to felicityjane.com, and I swear it is so worth it. So I hope you had an amazing day today. Have a crafty, wonderful day, and see you on my next video. Have a good day, guys. Bye!